Okay, 14 seconds. That's good. Woo! 14 seconds. In case if anyone is interested, right now what is going on here is like called a Facebook lag. I have roughly around 15 seconds lag time between real life and, well, unfake life. Okay, so what I did for this current stream is that I am streaming at 720 and I didn't rescale down to anything. Previously it was in 1080, rescaled down to 720, which is what you guys are watching right now. So I changed my native resolution to 720. Yeah, so I cut it down by 15 seconds of latency. Okay, I have no idea what else I should be doing. I could check my speed, but that will actually slow this down. Let me do a layover. Okay, so currently Facebook is letting me stream to you guys via the Hong Kong server. Previously, when I was trying out yesterday, we went to the Tokyo server. It's kind of weird. The reason why I'm not using a Singapore server is because Singapore server is down. Because the government deemed engineers non-essential. If something breaks down, as long as the Prime Minister still has internet. Okay, yeah, the lag time. Let me see. My current stream is, I put it at 2000. So it'll go up and down around 2000 kbps. So this is in case anyone's interested to know what is going on. Average frame rate. I wish I could just choose at 25. So today is a good time because it's going to Hong Kong. And for those who are actually more proficient, right, in streaming, reason why I never choose the specific server is because I tried, but Singapore server is down, so that's down. I'd like to go use a Hong Kong server, but if I want to do a low latency stream, I have to stream direct. And if I wanted to restream to two places, the best option is just to Streamlabs two streams, which is going to my Twitch and my Facebook currently. This is enough of checking out my stream. I am trying to find out where the skip drop frames are. Okay, I'm gonna close that because it's taking up my CPU. Okay, now back to Mega Man 1. We are going to complete game today. Yes, just me and you. No, backseat gaming, that's what they call. Okay, so who should I go? Yeah. Okay, I killed Cutman, Gutsman, Bombman, Electric Man. So I'm gonna go for Iceman because, you know, whatever Thunder Beam is, I'm gonna zap it out his ass. Yeah, I'm gonna try to zap it out his ass. Okay, let's go. Oh, the shit.